Clear.
Hey, check. Can you hear me?
Okay.
At a 2359, you can turn right next taxiway, taxi to the cargo ramp with me via Charlie.
Right turn, Charlie 10, Charlie 2 to the ramp with you, FedEx 2359. Let's make sure that we still have that current weather.
Does it have to stay like that?
Yeah, they're at 50.
Fresno Tower Information Hotel, time 2253, Zulu observation, wind 2900 at 3, visibility 5, haze, sky conditions. Correction, few clouds at 20,000, temperature 21 dew point 07, altimeter 3009er, landing into flight runway 29 right, 29 left, ILS approach in use, ground control and clearance delivery are combined, for clearances, contact ground control on 121.7, advise on initial contact, you have information hotel.
Alright. That's the same as it was when we drove out here.
What was?
The weather. When we drove out here, it was Information Hotel, and I just checked again, and it's Information Hotel. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's talk to him. Fresno ground, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike request.
Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, Fresno ground, go ahead.
Fresno ground 628 Romeo Mike requesting VFR departure to Madera, cruising altitude 2,500.
Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, Fresno ground on departure, maintain VFR at or below 2,000. Departure frequency 119.6, squawk 0113.
On departure, VFR at or below 2,000, departure frequency 19.6, squawk 0113 for 628 Romeo Mike.
Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, read back correct and say parking when ready to taxi.
628 Romeo Mike is at Ross, ready to taxi with hotel.
Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, runway 29 left, taxi via Alpha, Bravo 8 Bravo.
29 left, Alpha, Bravo 8 Bravo, 628 Romeo Mike.
Fresno ground, Skywagon 9202 Tango, and do it. Claire, taxi with hotel for straight out.
Skywaggon 9202 Tango, Fresno ground. Do you have a destination airport for flight following, or just want services canceled outside of Charlie?
Yeah, we don't need flight following. I'm kind of in my home zone, more or less.
See the tower can see us?
Skywaggon 9202 Tango, roger on we're ready to taxi.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
We're ready to taxi 30 Bravo.
Oh yeah?
Stop sign 130 Bravo.
Good eyes.
Signature. Stop sign 130 Bravo, runway 29 left, taxi via Bravo 11 Bravo behind the Skywaggon, just transitioning on Bravo, cross Bravo 11. Okay, 29 left, Bravo 11 Bravo behind the Skywaggon 3 Sierra Bravo. Caravan 9er Foxtrot Echo. Caravan 969er Foxtrot Echo, read back correct. Are you ready for taxi? Give me about 5 minutes. Roger. Tomahawk 2452 Tango, Fresno ground. What's your destination again?
Madera, practice area at 3,000, 52 Tango.
Tomahawk 2452 Tango, roger, on departure, maintain VFR out or below 2,000. Departure frequency 119.6, squawk 0122.
Gotta go through the checklist. So our doors are latched. This is the parachute handle. We gotta make sure that the key's out.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Put that back on so we don't lose it. You got a seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Are you hot? You need the air conditioner?
No.
Okay. Fuel quantity, I think we're good. Fuel selectors on the left. We got our boost pump on.
Oh, Dad, what's this one do?
That's the gas. More forward is more gas, back is less gas. We're going to push that all the way up while we do our test. So flaps are at 50.
Helicopter 123 Whiskey Fox, no
Transponders
traffic
at number
reaching you in the Fresno Chandler
that she
Airport.
gave us.
Radar service should now terminated. You can squawk VFR. Speed chain approved.
Switching squawk, 3 Whiskey Fox, thanks.
We got parking brakes on. We're going to go to 1700 RPM. That's this number right here. Right magneto, little drop, back to both. Left magneto, little drop, back to both. Go to our engine page. We're going to make sure, we're going to turn on every light that we have and make sure that everything stays in the green. Okay?
What if something goes to the red?
Oh, then we probably need to go back to the mechanic. Something's not right, we don't want to take off. Back to 1,000. I'm going to go to KMAE. That's Madera. Okay, we get my little purple line there. Okay, trim. Left, right, back, front. Got it.
Wait, Dad, how do you know what's in the back if you can't see?
I can see the corner of it over there.
Huh.
Ready?
Yeah.
See anyone coming?
No.
Okay, let's do this. Fresno Tower, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 29 left and ready. Whoa, that's all bad. Tower 628 Romeo Mike came in broken. Can you repeat?
68 Romeo Mike, Fresno Tower, runway 200 left, cleared for takeoff.
29 left, clear for takeoff, 628 Romeo Mike. Okay, let's go.
Plotter, Stusha, Bravo, you ready to go?
Yeah, but I got a Skywagon here that's not moving.
Okay. Alright, I'll get you on a sec, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey, full power, got full power. Looking for airspeed, got it, and 73, we're gonna rotate, bud. There's 73, we're up.
My feet is tingling.
The vibrations.
Plotter 913 Sierra Bravo, traffic is a Cirrus. I'm going to give him a slight left turn so you can make your right turn out. Runway 200 left, clear for takeoff.
29 left, clear for takeoff, 3 Sierra Bravo. Cirrus inside.
Cirrus 8 Romeo Mike, turn left 15 degrees.
Left 15 degrees, 8 Romeo Mike.
Let's get this Pilatus out real quick and then I'll put you back on course in a minute.
You got it.
Cirrus 8 Romeo Mike, resume on navigation, contact departure, thank you.
8 Romeo Mike, switching. Departure, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 1,500. Oh, it's hazy.
We're 628 Romeo Mike, Fresno departure, radar contact, climb unrestricted.
Climb unrestricted, 8 Romeo Mike.
Skies 4022, contact approach 132.35, good day.
3235, Skies 4022.
Hazy, hazy, hazy.
Yeah.
Fresno departure, Pilatus 913 Sierra Bravo, climbing through 1,400 for 2,000.
Flight 913 Sierra Bravo, Fresno departure, radar contact, climb unrestricted.
Unrestricted, 3 Sierra Bravo.
Fresno approach, 2231, November Sierra, 6,500.
231, November, was it November, Sierra?
That is correct, sir.
Alright, Fresno altimeter 3009.
Copy.
Sun in your eye? That help at all?
No, it's like right by you.
How about this? A little bit?
Yeah.
We're making pretty good time. We're doing 180 miles an hour. Can you believe it?
No.
Crazy, huh?
But it says that we're not even going 160.
Well, we're going 150 through the air, but the air is a little bit thinner up here. So the computer says we're actually doing 164. And that's in knots. So you got to say, well, knots are a little bit bigger than miles, so we got to, you know, we got to convert that to miles, add our 15%, and you get your 180.
Oh.
You're going to learn all that big math in school. You like flying the plane?
Yeah.
Me too.
Vertical track.
Present departure, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, beginning VFR descent.
Cirrus 8 Romeo Mike, squawk VFR, change to advisory, have a good one.
VFR and advisory, 628 Romeo Mike, thanks.
Oakville traffic, Archer 687 is on the left 45, runway 28, Oakville.
Hey, let's start slowing this baby down.
Dad?
Yeah, babe.
Can we, can we get in the airplane sometime soon and go get waffles?
Yeah.
I mean pancakes? They're like that.
That'd be great, bud. Madera traffic, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 9 miles south, inbound landing 30 Madera.
Oakville traffic, Archer 687, turning left down runway 28, Oakville.
So here we are. 9 miles out, 7 miles out. Slow it down a little bit more. Madera traffic, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 7 miles south, descending at 1,900, landing 30 Madera. Let me know when you see that airport. Can you see? Or no?
No.
It's alright.
I can look at a city which looks like a miniature model.
Yeah, like a Lego city, huh?
I would say more like a miniature model.
That's good. Madera traffic, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 5 mile final, 30 Madera.
Wait, how long did it take us to get out here?
Like 5 minutes.
I thought it'd take us longer to get here.
No. I think I can see the airport. I can see it. Can you see it?
No.
No. You'll see it when we land on it. Let me move your sunshade, okay?
Okay.
Wait, Dad, what's your favorite part about an airplane?
Oh, I just love flying it. I like being up above everyone.
I like landing and taking off.
Those are your favorite parts?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. I like landing. Taking off is fun. But I really like landing. Madera traffic, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 3 mile final, 30 Madera.
$500.
Now what's that?
That was the autopilot turning off.
Oh.
Madera traffic, Cirrus 628 Romeo Mike, 1 mile final, 30 Madera.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Now you see it?
I even see the runway in that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? You just
Yeah.
put that little green cursor right on the runway. That's how you fly it. That little green dot, see it? It's like a video game, huh?
Altitude.
Here we are. Landing at Madera.
If we came by car, how long would it take us?
About 45 minutes. But that's no fun, huh?
I think it's like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a helicopter about to take off, it looks like.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I think the helicopters go slower. Because they just go like this.
Yeah. They do go a little bit slower. But they can do cooler stuff like hover.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But it's more boring to land.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. Seems pretty cool.
I like an airplane landing better because it gets bumpy.
I'm sure helicopters can be bumpy too. Maybe not in a good way though.
Oh no, it looks like the helicopter stopped. There's a guy's on the door talking.
How's that? Is that a good place to stop?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do it.